Please feel free to call me Dr. Kafi. Today, I will be teaching you about interpretative analysis. But before we proceed, I would like to know you all better. Please, from my right, introduce yourself by saying your name and your hobby. Oh, thank you for the introduction. I will try not to forget any of your names, I promise. Now, let's get back to our topic of the day. What does any of you know about the word interpretative? Okay, let's get together. Let's pair up as a team. Turn to the person next to you and share any ideas about what interpretative mean to you. Do it quietly without distracting others, please. Well done, everyone. Now turn to the class, please. Jason, what do you understand by the word interpretative? Excellent. Maria, well done. Hannah, that's fantastic, Hannah. First, great effort, everyone. Well done. You have all made a great start. Well done, everyone. So, interpretative analysis. Why do you need to know about this topic? How important is it? Why is it important to your knowledge? Firstly, it will help you to understand and enhance your interpretative skills. Secondly, it will help you to generate multiple insights and ideas from one source. Thirdly, it will help to reinforce your creative thinking skills. And fourthly, it will help you in articulating and building your visualization skills. And finally, it will help you in developing creative storytelling and team working skills, just as you have done in the discussion question about what interpretative mean to you. So now, as you have all um, suggested, actually interpretative is about exploring ideas, it's about providing interpretations to things, and it's about making sense of certain situation or a given situation and giving meaning to things. And all that together, you could say, is an art of understanding information. I hope that is clear. Any questions? Okay, let's continue. I'm going to show you a demonstration, and I want you all to please look up. Please quiet, everyone, attention, please. I would like you to look up and give this a name. What can you see in my hands? What do you see me holding? I would like you to give it a name, please. Give it a name, everyone. And while you are doing that, imagine in your head, if I ask you to tell or write a short story about the food I'm showing to you right now. So give it a name, everyone. So I'm going to ask you, Maria, what do you think that food is called? Banana. Well done, Maria. You've tried. However, it's not. Actually, it's not banana. Jason? Plantain. It is plantain, actually, Jason. Well done, everyone. You see, your thinking, your creative thinking skills is what we need here. There is no wrong or right suggestion or answer to what I've presented to you. Plantain, Maria said, is banana, but it's about your ability, to think creatively and to be able to give meaning or interpretation to that particular food I've shown to you. That matters. So thank you for sharing your thoughts. In summary, I would strongly encourage you, you should regularly practice and use diagram to express your ideas to help you and others reinforce the understanding of an interpretative knowledge. Imagine different people from different places around the world, and certain things mean different things to every one of us. So sometimes when you use diagram, it will help other people to understand you better, to enhance understanding for both parties. Now I have an activity for you. Please pair up in form, and I would like you to draw me a picture. That's the first step of the activity. It's called drawing activity. And secondly, I would like you to show and share, which is you swap your picture with another group and let that group write down what they think about that picture. And the third step is return the picture back to the group who owns it, and let the group share with us the true story about their picture. Why are we doing this activity? Firstly, is to discover how different views are given to one object, which is your picture. And secondly, to be able to compare your thoughts and opinions. And at the end, we want to see if you arrive at the same or different perspectives. However, I have an option for those who don't know what to draw or how to draw. Please, I'm going to show you an environment on the next slide. I would like you to produce a short story about your understanding of the environment on the next slide, interpreting the images using an interpretative approach. So here is the slide. Look at the screen. For you who don't know what to draw or how to draw, just produce a short story about what you think this environment is all about. Any questions? So thank you everyone for demonstrating a great team spirit and team effort today. It's great working with you all. Thank you very much. Any questions?
No.